Hello guys, and welcome to Mega Mind. This is Marvelous. I want to teach you how to solve simultaneous equation using elimination method. Now, if we have a question like this, 3x plus 2y equals to 7, then 5x minus 3y equals to 37, right? Now, if you want to solve this kind of question, it's very simple. All you just need to do is to use your elimination method. So what we are going to do is to add the coefficients, use this coefficient to multiply this by doing this times, this will be times 3, here will be times 2, right? So if you do it like that, you will see that, so this times this will give us 9x plus this times this will give us what? 6x, 6y, sorry, equals to 3 times 7 is what? 21, right? Then this times this will give us 10x minus 6y equals to what? Equals to 74. Now, we have gotten plus 6y and minus 6y. So what we need to do is to cancel this out. So we are left with 10, this and this and this. So we'll just add everything. 9x plus 10x will give us 19x, right? Which is equal to this plus this will give us what? It will give us 95, right? Now we have 95, 19x equals to 95. So what we need to do, we want to make x the subject of the formula. So we have to make x stand alone, right? So if we are making x stand alone, all we need to do is to just write here x equals to, so we are dividing both sides by 19. So it give us 95 over 19, right? Now, this divided by this will give us what? 5. Our x will be equals to 5. So x is equals to 5. Let's write it like this. X equals to 5. So now we have gotten the value of x. So what? How can we get the value of y? To get the value of y, we are going to substitute this value of y into any of these equations. So we are going to be using this first equation, which is 3x plus 2y, which is equals to 7. So when anywhere you see x, you put your 5 there. So here will be 3 over 5 plus 2y, which is equals to 7. 3 times 5 will give us 15, right? Plus 2y, which is equals to 7. Now, because this variable is carrying, this coefficient is carrying y here, this number is carrying y, so we want to make it stand on its own. So we are going to move this 15 to this side, it will become minus. So we have 2y, which is equal to 7 minus 15. So 7 minus 15 will give us 2y, which is equal to minus 8. Now let's make y subject of the formula. Y equals to minus 8 over 2. So our y will therefore be what? 8 will go into 2 will go into 8 how many times? 4 times. So our answer is minus 4. So our x is equals to 5 and our y is equals to minus 4. That is how to solve simultaneous equation using elimination method. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, and share it. Turn on your notification bell for more videos.